tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. So, a lot of you have been asking for a tutorial on how to do the glitter emote from the game Fortnite. So here it is, and as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Insiders, for being the first ones to request it. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. I think we should start right after the turn here. So, I mean, you can start like this, or you can just go directly into it. But what you want to do is you want to say swing with your arm, right arm. You want to go here, and then you want to take a step in like that. Yeah? So pretty simple. From here, you want to say down, step, in. Now, what they do is they do switch, and then they move their hip from side to side. Now, either you can say switch. Now, notice that, for instance, my right is bent and my left is straight, and then I'm doing the opposite. Now I'm shooting my hip to my right. Here, my right is bent. My right is straight. Now I'm doing the opposite. Left straight, right bent, shooting my hip to my left. And then opposite. Now either you can do this like this, where you're just switching, or you can say jump. So you're saying jump and a jump. Yeah? Or you can do a combo. Boop, boop, boop. I'm just gonna show you from the side so you can see what I mean here. So like this, one is straight, one is straight, one is bent. So like this, switch, remember to lean from side to side. Yeah, so let's just do the arms. So the arms are saying, whoom, stop, out, the other one comes up, around, then you want to say, right arm, left arm. Yeah, so you're just taking him up, up. So let's try that again. Right arm comes down, around, stop, push it out. Now we want to say switch, around. This one comes up, right and left. Okay, so let's try to combine it. So take the first step here. Now you want to say switch, switch, now switch. Actually, I would say that the two last ones would be better if you did a small jump. So you did roll, round, here, out. From here, you want to say jump, and then jump. Yeah, so here, 5, 6, 7, 8, here, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left. Okay, last time from the top. So from here, you want to say step in, here, push out, around, up. From here, you want to say jump, out. Yeah, I notice how to use your head to over-exaggerate this one. Okay, so whoom. From here, you want to jump out on both legs like this. Yeah, so notice that most of my weight is on my right, and then I'm doing jump. So jump here, and at the same time, you want to say arms are saying down, up. So from here, you want to say both hands up. Then you want to say throw, then up. So from here, you want to say up. Actually, you say jump up. So 5, 6, 7, 8, jump up. So from jump up, you want to say down here. Yeah, so you're forming a heart. And at the same time, you want to also lean your head, tilt your head to the left side, because next you want to say go to the right side. Yeah, so your arms are saying open, around, down, and your head is saying to the other side. And at the same time, you want to also sit in this move. So you're sitting down here because you want to say go around. Okay, so let's just do this new part again. We did a little bit right here. You want to say jump up, now hard, and then sit. From here, you want to continue, and then you want to push off with your left. So you're pushing yourself back here, and your hips is shooting here to your right. Whoop. And then you want to say jump. So let's try that again. We did roll over here. You want to say jump. Throw your arms up, hard. Move to the opposite side, sit. Now you want to get ready to push back and then jump. Yeah, from here you want to say jump, jump. Yeah, so you're doing 2 jumps. You're doing jump, get ready to. From here you want to say toss and across here. Yeah. So you take around and get ready to say pull elbows back. Alright guys, let's take it from the tip to top so that we don't forget the first part. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Okay, so starting from here or down here, you wanna say round, whoop, boom, 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 hey, hey, jump, up, hard, round, and push, boom, here, elbow. Alright, now let's take it slow. So, from here, you wanna say around, take a step in, whoop, out, switch, 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 now get ready to jump, jump, and now new part, jump, up, hard shape, opposite side, sit, round, get ready to push, back, jump, again, throw your arms, cross it out, elbows back. Notice how I'm turning from here to here. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, around, step in, step, push it out, switch, switch, switch. Now, jump, jump, jump again, throw them up, heart shape, whoop, opposites, round, get ready to push back, and jump, jump, around, cross, out. Notice I'm down and level here, boom, here. Okay, so from here, what you want to do is you want to say jump twice, and you want to say jump in, out. Let's just try that again. From here, you want to say in, out. And your arms are saying from here, up, around, up, down. So from here, you want to say 1 big, 1 small. Let's just do that again slow. So 7, 8, 1 big, 1 small. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 big, 1 small. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 big, 1 small. From here, you want to say your right is going behind your left. So you say kick, back. Notice I'm looking, whoop. My arms, my left arm is saying here, as if, I don't think they're actually touching. Just as if, whoop, back. Yeah, so it's just saying whoop, back, whoop, back. Let's just do it from here. You want to say jump, jump, whoop, back. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, jump, whoop, back. Alright guys, so we're almost finished. So from here, boom, boom, hey, hey. From here you actually want to prep with your arm because you want to say swing so that you can turn. From here, you want to say swing. Now you want to take a step here with your right, cross, and then you want to turn. Yeah, and then you can either jump to the front or you can just say whoop, step out. That's up to you. So let's just do whoom, whoom, hey, prep, around, and jump. Yeah, and the hand is saying here. I think they're doing 2 fingers here. Whoop. Yeah, so up, whoop. And the other arm is here, resting on your hip. Whoop. So let's just try that again. From here, cross, we want to say whoom, whoom, hey, prep, turn, around, and jump. Alright guys, let's try one last time. So from here, we want to say whoom, whoom, tap, throw, cross, around, jump. Alright guys, let's take it from the tip to the top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. So starting either from down here or up here, you wanna say step in, here, switch, 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 get ready to jump, here, and then you wanna say jump, throw your arms up, heart shape, around, get ready to push back, and then say jump, get ready to throw your hand, right hand, say elbows back. Now jump once, twice, tap, prep for the spin, whoop, around, and stop. Alright, let's do it a bit slower. So from here, you want to say arm in, step. Now get ready to switch, switch, other arm up, switch once again. Now you want to say other arm and left. From here you want to say jump, throw your arms up, get ready to do the heart here. So to the other side, around, get ready to push up with your left here. And then you want to say jump and throw your right arm around, push out your elbows back, whoop. Now you want to do two jumps, one and out. Then you want to say tap behind, prep for the spin, throw your right arm around and step out. Alright, let's try it one last time. So from here, you want to say down, step in, switch, switch, switch. Now, small jump if you want. Again, and you want to say jump out, throw your arms up, then to the side, around, push off with your left, and then say jump, another jump, throw your right arm, push your elbows out, one jump, two jumps, tap behind, prep for the spin, around, and step out. You're right. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the glitter dance emote from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching and until next time.